Well, good day to all of our awesome internet friends, family, and following. If you're new to our trainings, we like to start all of our trainings off with something that's nice and picturesque, designed to get you to dream again. Get those dreams off the shelf and blow off the dust. Okay, we are in the Amalfi Coast in Italy for our quick mental vacation break. Now, let me tell you what we're going to do in this very brief training. We have a portal that is absolutely free. There is no monthly subscription. There is no annual subscription. And I want to just talk to you about some of the highlights of what you're going to get when you come inside of our portal. So you'll see where you can get the portal absolutely free. Now, what we've done is we've developed a system understanding that most people who have come online, they're just looking to make some extra money, maybe an extra few hundreds of dollars per month, maybe in time a few extra thousands of dollars per month. Some people are looking to make a lifestyle change, or maybe they're looking to shore up their investments. They're behind on things like retirement. They're behind on things like college fund for their children. And the reality is that most people, when it comes to marketing or being able to identify a legitimate investment enterprise, they just suck. They suck when it comes to selling. They suck when it comes to telling. So this system has been developed with Joe Average and Sue Average in mind. Now, if you happen to be someone that doesn't suck when it comes to marketing, that doesn't suck when it comes to identifying legitimate platforms, then, that's gravy, all right? But this system was designed from the ground up for Joe Average, Sue Average, the person that sucks at selling, sucks at telling, sucks at marketing, so on and so forth. Now, what you're going to discover as you come inside of our system, there's going to be a video training that's going to share with you our system and why you want to participate. We're going to talk about cash flow. Now, we deal in the largest financial market in the world, known as the foreign exchange market, or the Forex. So we've got to give you a lot of disclaimers, and you'll have a ton of disclaimers as you come inside. But we want to cash flow the largest financial market in the world. You're not going to have to learn how to trade. Okay, you're not going to have to be staring at indicators and looking at your screen all day or anything like that. You're going to be able to leverage our trading teams. We have a strategy. We will talk about it inside, called our primer strategy, that is designed to assist you in potentially, maybe, perhaps, all of my disclaimers, and we'll have far more disclaimers on the inside, turning the largest financial market in the world into a cash flow machine. That's our target, or at least one of our targets for our portal subscribers. And how much is your portal? It is absolutely free. How much did that cost you? Absolutely free. It's absolutely free. Now, inside of the portal, in that particular training, we're also going to lay out our Millionaire Roadmap. Now, our system, ladies and gentlemen, we want to get you to complete, total, utter financial freedom. So we're going to lay out to you, and again, we'll give you all of our disclaimers, our if, ands, buts, maybes, can't promise, but this is our target. We're going to lay out to you our 3 to 6 year millionaire roadmap. So you're going to be introduced to a strategy that's designed to potentially generate more immediate cash flow, and you're going to be introduced to our strategy that is designed. We've got a 3 to 6 year roadmap to potentially, maybe, perhaps, get you to millionaire status. Why is that so important? Because so many people are behind on retirement, are behind on college funds for their children, are behind or saddled with a student loan debt. So again, you will get that in the training inside of the free portal. Now, we're also going to reveal to you something that we refer to as the hush hush shh income stream. Now, let me say this. This is very important. This system was developed from the ground up, understanding that most people suck when it comes to marketing, when it comes to recruiting, when it comes to developing a list, when it comes to communicating with that list, when it comes to getting sales, when it comes to getting recruits. We understand that. And so when we talk about our potential cash flow strategy, when we talk about our potential millionaire strategy, all of our disclaimers there, that has nothing to do with any selling or telling. It's got nothing to do with any of those crap systems out there. Hey, put your money in a pot to some third party that you've never ever heard of before, and we're going to pay you 1% a day or 2% a day. None of that crap. Okay? We are going to reveal to you, however, a hush-hush income stream that most people, even top marketers, have never even heard of. It's not MLM. It pays out far better than MLM. Because here's the reality. If you are successful with our trading accounts, and again, there'll be no monthly subscriptions. There'll be no annual subscriptions. At some point, you're going to tell somebody. And so if you ever decide to tell someone what we're doing, we want to position you where you can generate some massive revenue. Some of you, you'll just look to make a few extra hundreds of dollars a month, and this will help accelerate your millionaire game plan. Others of you are going to be looking for a complete lifestyle change, and you're going to discover this income stream that you probably have never heard of before. Again, that's completely optional, but it is there. All right, so what makes us different? Number one, we're not an MLM. You don't have to do any selling. You don't have to do any telling. If you do decide to do so and participate in our hush-hush income stream, you don't have to balance sides or any of that kind of MLM-y type of stuff. There is no monthly subscription. There is no annual subscription. For those of you that are already in the Forex space, maybe through some type of marketing company, you likely have a monthly subscription. We're not here to foo-fooey on that. We just want you to know why we're different, because we don't have any monthly subscription or annual subscription. You don't need to purchase any software. You don't need to buy what's called a VPS or a virtual private server. Once you come inside, get enough information, as much or as little as you need to feel comfortable setting up a trading account. Once you set up your trading account, once you have funded your trading account, that is it. You will be setting up your account with a reputable broker. All right. You won't be sending us any money. All right. Again, none of those 30 shade party systems where you send your money off and they say, hey, just trust us, believe us. You know, no, you'll see every trade, winner or loser. No software needed, no VPS needed. Inside, we're going to reveal our cash flow strategy, as well as our 3 to 6 year, maybe perhaps potential, if all of my disclaimers, millionaire strategy. Oh, by the way, if you want to set up a trading account, you don't have to break the bank. We're talking as little as 300 euros, 300 British pounds, $300, what have you. All right. If you want to set up a trading account, just $300 is your minimum. Obviously, you can do a lot more than that. And then we are going to have an emphasis on helping you understand it as you undertake it. Now, when we first came online back in 2008, 2009, we were trying to teach people how to trade in the foreign exchange market, the Forex market, okay? We thought, wow, you know, if we teach a man to fish, he will be able to eat for a lifetime. If you just give him a fish, he'll eat for a day. And that sounded good. But we soon realized that trying to teach people how to trade in a very complex financial market was not the route for Joe Average and Sue Average. And remember, our system is designed with Joe Average and Sue Average in mind. So we're not going to try to teach you how to trade, but we do want you to understand it as you undertake it. So as you come inside, there will be as much information or as little information as you need to feel comfortable moving forward. Lastly, our system will not be available to the public for long. As a matter of fact, in the summer of 2019, we will initiate our first phase of privatization. Why? As much as we'd love to scale this to 10,000, 50,000, 100,000, we can't. And the reason we can't is because we want to get our subscribers and those that become account holders with us, we want to get them ultimately to millionaire status. Again, we're going to lay out a 3 to 6 year millionaire roadmap. Well, as much as we would love to empower 10,000, 50,000, 100,000 folks to become millionaires, the reality is our system will not scale to those types of numbers. So, in the summer of 2019, we will initiate our first phase of privatization. Our last phase of privatization will come sometime likely in 2020. So right now, if you're seeing this where it says get your free portal or something to that effect, it means that we've not yet instituted privatization. Once we institute privatization, you won't even know that we exist. And we'll just ride with those subscribers, those account holders that we have. And again, when I say subscribers, I'm not talking about a paid subscription. I'm not talking about a monthly subscription, a quarterly subscription, or an annual subscription. We have no subscription cost. It costs us, but it won't cost you. All you have to do is click where it says get your free portal or something to that effect. Fill out the information to get your portal. Come inside. Make sure you watch every video. Schedule time to watch every video that you will see on the home page. They will then direct you, for those of you that are ready to get started with your own trading accounts, they'll direct you as to what you need to do so. Everything you need to make a prudent choice is on the inside. With that being said, we love each and every one of you. Let's change the world together, starting with yours. Let's get you inside of the portal, and let's get you to millionaire status.